Welcome to the product tutorials on how to create charts under dashboards. I'm now logged in into the Replicon instance. In this video, I would explain how new charts can be created within the dashboard feature available in Replicon. In order to create new charts, click on Dashboard Beta available on the top. Now click on Add Chart option available here. You would see a list of things under Template, Rows, Columns, and Data. The rows, columns, and data would change based on the template that you decide here. So choose the template that you wish to see the data for. Let's take up an example of time and attendance. As you can see, the rows, columns, and data has changed accordingly. Now choose what you would like to see in the rows section. Let's choose username. Now you can choose under columns what would be the data that you would like to see. Let's, for example, see the activity. And then you can choose the hours. This might change depending upon what you choose under columns. Once you've chosen the desired column and rows and data, you can come down and see the graph available right here created using the options that you have selected. As you can see here, there are different kinds of charts that you can choose from. The bar chart has the grand total displaying by the user. This can be changed, however, by department. You can have vertical bars or you can change them to be horizontal bars as you like it. You can also show the labels to be horizontal at 45 degrees or vertical. You can choose whether you would like to see all the users or if you would like to see top 5 users and so forth and so on. Let's move over to grouped bar. Under grouped bar, you would see a different bar chart available here. The x-axis here can be grouped. You can also choose the grouping size, whether you want it to be grouped, you want it to be stacked, or if you would like to be 100% stacked. Now you can choose whether you would like the vertical bars, horizontal bars, if you would like the labels to be at 45 degrees or vertical labels, and you can choose whether to display the legend or not. Let's move over to the pie chart. Pie chart will show you the grand totals by either the column or the row as per your decision. You can here choose whether you would like to see all users or top or bottom users. And finally, if you would like to see the legends, or if you would like each slice to show the legend. Lastly, let's move over to the line chart. The line style can be chosen whether it should show line per department or grand total series. You can choose the x-axis, and in the similar way you can choose the horizontal labels 45 degrees or vertical labels. You can also choose the line to be a smooth line if you would like to display markers or not, and if you would like to display the legend or not. These are the different kind of charts that are available here. Now let's look at how you can save these charts. Once you're done by creating the chart, you can choose whether you want to save it as the name that comes up by default or you would like to change the name as per your requirement. Once you've chosen the name, click on the Save button and the chart would display on the left hand side here. As you can see here, apart from the chart, you also have a table displaying the same data. You can by all means export this table by clicking on the Export Table option available here. You can add more filters by clicking here. You can filter by activity. You can also exclude some activity if you have a long list of them and you would like to exclude only few of them. You can provide a date range. You can change this filter to whatever you wish like. This will be available based on the template that you have selected. Once you have chosen the filters, you can click on Apply and the table would be filtered accordingly. Now let's come back to our chart. In order to view a greater or granular detail, you can click on any line and you would see the granular detail of each line. A similar way can be followed by pie chart as well. It is showing the granular detail as you selected in the bar chart. To go back to the previous view, you can click on the back button on your browser and it would go back to the previous view. So this is how you can add new charts in dashboards. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now get in touch with Replicon using Replicon Community? In order to access the Replicon community, go to the Replicon website and click on Customer Zone. On the Customer Zone, choose Community and you would be taken to the community page. Now you can sign in or register and start posting your questions, queries, ideas, bugs, issues, and one of our product management team members or one of the Replicon representative will get in touch with you immediately.